Bonner. Welcome back. All right, I am doing a little bit of fun machine quilting here today. Actually, I just had a brand new class, the 9 Patchalong 5.0 that was launched. And when I launch my brand new classes, I like to quilt along with my students. So during that launch period, this is the sample that I was quilting on. Now, right now I'm quilting the bonus blocks, and I thought it would be fun to share with you a few machine quilting ideas, some ways to use machine quilting rulers to quilt really fun blocks, but show you they really don't have to be as intimidating as they seem like they should be. So we're going to do all my quilting here today on my Gamble 22-inch machine. I will be stitching in the stitch regulated mode, and I do have my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. Whenever I'm doing ruler quilting, make sure you stop and start, like end with your needle in the down position. This will make a big difference when quilting a design like I'm going to show you today. So to quilt this point-to-point curved design, I am here using the ruler foot on my Gamble machine. The ruler foot I feel is essential whenever doing ruler quilting. I also have the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler with our Piece and Quilt PopSocket ruler grip. You can see how I like to hold that ruler grip in between my fingers, and it really just helps me have a bit of gentle pressure to hold on to while I'm doing my machine quilting, which gentle pressure is always something to remember when doing machine quilting with rulers. To quilt this point-to-point line, I'm starting here with my needle in the down position. Now, because from the ruler outside of the foot to the needle position is 1/4 inch, I'm going to hold this ruler here so that it is 1/4 inch away from that corner where I want my thread to intersect. And I'll do the same down here at the bottom. So I'm eyeballing about how far I think 1/4 inch away is. Now I'll engage my machine, use gentle pressure, and glide right along that curve on the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler. Now once I've stitched down here to the bottom, again, I'll stop with my needle in that down position, then hold the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler so it intersects 1/4 inch away over here. Obviously it will over there because the foot's making it. So hold it there, engage the machine, use gentle pressure, and glide along that curve. And now I'll simply repeat that process. So and now I'll finish this block by using just that top curve one more time on that mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler. And there you have it. This is a great way to quilt a simple block, or even if it were patchwork blocks all the way across a quilt. I hope you found a little bit of inspiration from this fun quilt block. You can see just how much fun the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler really is to use. You can pick up the mini machine quilting ruler plus our Piece and Quilt PopSocket ruler grips, plus enroll in my free class, the 9 Patchalong 5.0, over on our website, pieceandquilt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.